In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Xero with Zapier in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to streamline your accounting processes and connect Xero to other apps seamlessly, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll have Xero and Zapier working in perfect harmony, automating tasks and saving you valuable time. First, we need to start by logging into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page and click on Login. You'll then need to enter your email address and password. Remember to keep your login details secure and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button to access your dashboard. Now that you're on the Xero dashboard, look for the Connected Apps icon. This step is essential because it directs you to where you can manage applications linked to your Xero account. Once you click on the icon, you'll want to select Find More Apps on the Xero App Store. This store is filled with a wide array of apps that can integrate with Xero to enhance its functionality. With the App Store open, type Zapier into the search bar. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects your apps and automates workflows, so finding it on Xero's App Store is crucial. Once Zapier appears in the search results, click on it to get more details. Next, you'll see the option to get this app. Click on it to proceed. If you don't already have a Zapier account, don't worry, you'll be guided through a simple sign-up process where you can set up your Zapier account. After setting up your Zapier account, you'll have completed the integration process. Congratulations, you've successfully linked Xero to Zapier. This integration opens up a realm of possibilities, from automating invoice processes to syncing data between countless apps and Xero. As a quick tip, take some time to explore Zapier's Zaps, which are pre-built workflows between Xero and other services you use. This can be a massive time saver as you look to craft customized automations that cater to your specific needs. Encourage your users to regularly review the integrations to ensure everything is running smoothly. Automation should evolve as your business does, so don't hesitate to refine them over time to best support your workflows and business operations. And there you have it, your Xero account is now perfectly synced with Zapier, paving the way for seamless automation and efficiency in managing your accounting tasks. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more quick and useful tech tips.